Hi students. Last night we looked at Love Me Do as a new piece, as an easy piece comparatively for all the songs we're playing, that's reduced to really four chords. In the G family of chords we have G, and we have C. There is a G7th when you sing the "So please," then you abruptly break "Love me do." That's a G7. And then you also have a D for the middle 8, the bridge. Someone to love me, somebody new. Now what I want to talk about at this time is changing chords in time. And I kind of briefly mentioned it, that on a song like Love Me Do, and the strum, by the way, was just a simple shuffle. A down, down, up, down, down, up. Now, how to change the G to the C in time. And, you know, with a metronome, you could say, I'll do 2 measures of G, and then I'll give myself a measure of rest to form C, play 2 measures of C, and then a measure to change, a measure of rest to go back. Here's what I'm talking about. So 2 measures of G and then a measure of rest to form the C chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That's 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now you could start to, once you are able to form the chords without compromise, they're not messed up, that you can play the G, and then you slowly finger the C. Once you could start doing that with 80% accuracy, you could drop a beat off the rest. So you could do 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then also reduce it down to 2 beats and 1 beat. By the way, when I count 2 measures, I do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. 2 complete measures of 4/4 time. 4/4 means 4 beats per measure. The quarter note, the solid dot with a stem, gets 1 beat. The metronome, again, gives us our timekeeping. Now, the song again, Love Me Do, is that. True, so please love me do. The G seventh. Last night I hinted that it's like you took the C and you moved everything outward. The first finger, instead of being on the second string, is now on the first string. The ring finger, instead of being on the A string, is on the E string. And your second finger, instead of being on the D string, is on the A string. And you have this. Love me do. Whoa, love me do. Yes. Good luck with that. Changing chords in time.